little friends. Welcome to Dino Fun Learning. Today we're going to learn numbers from 1 to 10 using magical flashcards. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1, one sun. Wonderful. Number 2, 2 apples. Great. Number 3, 3 stars. Awesome. Number 4, 4 balloons. Super. Number 5, 5 flowers. Well done. Number 6, 6 rainbows. Good job. Number 7, 7 crystals. Beautiful. Number 8, 8 candies. You are doing great. Number 9, 9 fish. Awesome. Number 10, 10 butterflies. Wonderful. Great job, friends. You counted from 1 to 10. See you again on Dino Fun Learning.